Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Dr. Grant Show. Have you experienced pain in your lower back area or your middle back area? Often in my wellness practice, when I go deeper into my discussions with my clients, they are surprised when I ask them this question. And there's a reason behind it, as is everything. Often we are unaware of something called muscular compensation, meaning it's not the muscles in your back that are aching because they are weak. It is because the abdominal muscles, which are responsible for the support of our lower and middle back, those abdominal muscles have become weakened. And usually it's due to your common activities like sitting at a desk all day or just really the ins and outs and flows of life, just really not getting around to performing those exercises. So. How can we do this? How can we strengthen abdominal muscles? How can we even shrink the pooch just a smidge without running on the treadmill 1,000 times a day, starving ourselves to death, eating rabbit food and the like, all things that I know really excite most of my clients when I talk about this, or at least that's what they think is going to happen. Yoga twist. Yes, yoga twist. So, yoga, whether you know it or not, is about the unification of body and mind. It's not about bending yourself into 1,000 pretzel-like contortionist level positions and acting as if you have no bones or ligaments. It is about paying attention to the body and enabling the body in a lot of different areas. So without further ado, as a certified yoga instructor as well as personal trainer, one of the things that I like is giving a all-encompassing wellness approach and custom tailoring things for my clients. So let's get into it, shall we? A few exercises, a few positions and poses that will help with your lower back while strengthening the abdominal area. All right, let's go. We will begin with Warrior 1, followed by Warrior 2. Get into this position just like so. Make sure that your heel back here is cemented to the mat and that your knee is at a 90-degree angle. Raise both arms up and hold just like so for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warrior 2, 2, 3, and 4. Now, straighten the knee. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bend the knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move to the other side. Turning. All right. Now, going back into Warrior 1. Bend the knee. Good, nice, lean, 90-degree angle. Raise the arms up high, holding here. Warrior 1, 2, 3, 4. Warrior 2, 2, 3, 4. Straighten the knee. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, come back to center for a yogi forward fold. Take the arms and hands behind you. Intertwine your fingertips together and bend at the waist just like so. You can stretch out and increase the distance between your feet, holding here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back up. Hold here again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back up. Very good. Very good. While you're in this wide-legged stance position, you're going to squinch your feet just a wee bit back together, just a smidge, not totally, about hip width, a little bit wider than hip width apart. And you're going to bend into a nice seated position and twist. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back to center and then turn again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to center, twist again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to center, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back up. Forward fold is what is next. I'm going to show you and demonstrate to you what it looks like from the side. Forward fold, bending at the waist. You can go for and reach towards your mat with your hands touching the floor. If you're having challenges here, reaching your hands to the floor seems like a wee bit of a stretch at this moment, at this time, not a problem. Reach for your shins right here. Allow your head to hang. Hold here for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring yourself back up. Good. Forward fold again. Come down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, stay right here. Take your right hand and reach it all the way up to the sky, turning your head to face the ceiling in a very nice, gentle twist. Holding 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently, slowly bring your hand back down to the earth. Lift up your left hand, twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And come right back down with your hand to the ground. Once again, if your hands, it feels like a wee bit of a stretch to touch the ground, not a problem. We can put our hands on our shins, all right? Bring yourself right back up. Your final position in this standing part of the sequence is your chair with a twist. I'm going to turn to the side so that way you'll be able to see it a wee bit better. Your feet are about 3 inches apart, and you begin to bend and sink into chair pose and position. Hold here for 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring yourself back up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend back down into chair position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, here we go. Chair with a twist. Ready? Bend down, just like before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Begin to twist at the waist with the hands in prayer position and turn. Looking up towards the sky. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then slowly come out of it. Untwist. Face forward. Stand back up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, get ready to do the other side. Perform the same movement. Sink into chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist at the waist to the other side while your hands are in prayer position. Holding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly untwist. Good. And then come back up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. How are you guys feeling? You should be feeling pretty good right now. All right. So the key to this and the magic rests in consistent repetition. You want to gently take these moves, lean into them, allow your body to get warmer and fuzzier about these movements. Take them slow. Repeat this if you wish. There are tons of other twisting movements that we could do. I just want to warm you up a little bit. If this is feeling pretty good, then you can follow up with some of my EFT tapping. If there's something that you notice when you twisted, certain thoughts popped up into your head. Maybe your brain wanted to take you into a flashback, kind of a rewind into things that are on your mind. That is a good thing, okay? It's a wonderful thing. Make a note of that and then tap on it for later on. If you need help with that, feel free to reach out to me. Corporate, wellness people, if it turns out that you feel that you would like to bring this in for a workshop to improve your employee wellness and their productivity, then feel free to join our wait list. All right, guys, much love to you.